Good morning everybody. Currently on my side it's a beautiful Saturday morning. And yes guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Wairimu Mwangi. Yes, I go by the name Wairimu Mwangi. I'm a mom of 2. I'm a wife of 1. Yes guys, and I'm so happy to be here. And I'm so happy to start a new YouTube channel, guys. I can't tell you how happy I am, because I've been wanting to do a YouTube channel for 4 years. Yes, I opened a YouTube channel back in 2021, but I've never done anything. Though deep inside me I feel like I want to do this, guys, because yes, I'm like, this is it. I love being in front of the camera. Though let's say I'm not a huge fan of pictures, but talking to the camera is something that I think I can do it so perfectly. So I feel like I've postponed this thing for so long, and yes, I finally, guys, I'm so happy. I can't believe this is me doing an introduction video. Oh my god, thank you god so much, because it's a journey for me, because I've been wanting to do it, but then I feel like something is pulling me backwards. I don't know why, but I think this is the right time for me, and I think this is the right time for me, and I know God has a reason why it's happening right now. And I'm so happy to come to this channel to walk you through my journey. Yes, my motherhood, my marriage, yes, everything, guys. I'll be showing you everything. And yes guys, so on my channel, what we'll be doing, guys, mostly, guys, when I say mostly, it's cooking vlogs. Yes guys, I love cooking so much. I love cooking for my family, not just cooking, but cooking some simple and delicious meal for my family. Yes, so guys, if this is the kind of content you love, this is a place to be, guys. Cooking vlog, motherhood, homemaking videos, like a bit of lifestyle, a bit of chat with you about motherhood, ABCD. Yes guys, we'll be doing all that, guys. So stay tuned here, guys. I'll be doing a lot of videos for you, my people, and I'm know, guys, that we will walk through this journey with you guys, because I feel for me having this platform, it will also help me to heal as a person, because I feel I have a lot that I have in my heart, that when I talk it out, it will be like a healing process for me. I feel I have a lot of baggages, a lot of broken pieces in myself that I need to fix, and this is a way to fix for myself. Because yes guys, I know for me, what I usually do, even when I'm angry, I usually do what I love more, and that is cooking. So for me, when I'll be cooking, we'll be chatting ABCD. I'll be telling you about my life. Yes, how I got married, what age I got married at, married at, guys, all those stuff, guys. And also, yeah, tutasaidiana kulea, because motherhood aina manual, guys. It doesn't have a manual. Let nobody come to you and tell you you're doing this the wrong way, you are doing this the wrong way. No, do it the way you feel you need to do it. You as a mom, if you feel like, yes, this is the best thing for my child that I'm doing, do it, mama. Let nobody tell you that you are doing the right way or the bad way. No, do it. It's, if you feel deep down in your heart, you feel like, yes, I'm doing right for my child, do it. Okay, because haina manual, trust me, haina manyo. And my baby and your baby, they are so different. They are so very different kids. Different in terms of you find that your child does ABCD, okay guys, but for mine is totally different, you see. So yes, we will be sharing some ideas, or ukifika a stage, what do you do when you get this stage? What do you do, moms? Okay, so yes, and I know I'll impact a lot of mom out there. If you're a young mom, don't feel like you're doing the wrong way, don't feel depressed. Come, let's talk it out. And yes, let's do this. We can do this, guys. Our forefathers did this, so be us. Mind you, our parents back then, they were having even 6 kids, 10 kids, and they did it so perfectly, guys. So I feel even us, we can do it, okay? Even us Gen Z's here, because I'm a Gen Z. I would lie to you, I'm a Gen Z. So yes, guys, I'm so happy, so much, and I kindly ask you guys, support me, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and anything you want me to do for you, kindly comment down below. Tell me anything you want me to do for you, any question you have for me. I'll also put all my handles on the description box, my TikTok, my Instagram, my Facebook. I'll put all them down below, guys. Yes, guys, so let's walk through this journey together. And yes, guys, I'm so happy, guys. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that we are finally doing this. This is me, Priscilla Wairimu Mwangi. This is me. I'm so happy. Yes, guys, and I'm also happy for to walk through this channel with you guys. Yes, guys, tujengane, tukuzane, guys, tusaidiane, guys, okay? So yes, guys, kindly guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment down below. Also, you can share it with your friends. Let them know there's a new mom in town who has just started a YouTube channel and she's doing ABCD. Yes, guys, so I love you guys, and expect more and more content, guys. I'll be dropping for you content after content. Yes, guys, okay, so show me some love, yes, and like my videos. Bye bye, guys. And here I can see the video is not that long, but yes, guys, I love you guys. We are out.